In this video, we will use asdoc in Stata to convert a starter table into a Word table. First, I change directory to move into the folder where I keep my dataset. The dataset focuses on firm level data. After opening the data, the summarize command gives summary statistics. And we can specify in statistics what we are looking for. So here we select the number of observations, the mean, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. And we have a range of variables. Now this table then is saved as a Word document using the asdoc command. So it looks like a standard summary command where we put asdoc in front. We can specify a title. We replace the Word document. So if we run it again, it will be just updated. Then we can define the decimal places we would like to display. 3 is usually a good choice. And we can adjust here the font size. The asdoc command provides a table which will be in the same folder where we keep our datasets. If you click on this, you have hopefully a nice looking table ready to be used in Word. Now there are many ways to modify this table. I'll just show you one example. So for instance, if you want to do this table for different subgroups, so in this particular example we look at companies owned by other companies, so subsidiaries, and independent companies. So for that we can use the by command. The subsidiary is a dummy variable, so it's coded 0 for independent firms and 1 for subsidiaries. So now we have it for different categories. So you see it's kind of convenient if you want to convert Stata output into a Word document. There's a lot more you can do. For instance, you can use it for regression tables, but there are many other ways. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave a comment below. I see you in the next one.